What's up, everybody? What y'all doing? It's Aris and the lovely Leslie. Say hi to the folks at home, Leslie.
Hey, everybody. It's been a minute.
It's been a grip. It's been a grip. We're gonna have a blast here today, opening up some foosball cards. That's what you call them, right?
Foosball.
Football.
Foosball.
American football. What are we opening up today?
Not
Not baseball. No.
baseball.
We have one Panini Prizm No Huddle hobby box that we're going to open up. We're going to open up one Contenders Optic hobby box. And we're going to open up an Optic Donruss hobby box.
What are you going to start with, Eris?
What am I going to start with? I don't know.
What is going to be your piece of resistance today?
Piece de resistance?
Yeah. What's
Well,
it going to be?
I mean, I'm holding this in my hand, so might as well just open up this one first, right?
The most cards in that one, right?
The most cards
It
in
looks
this
like
one.
it'd be the biggest.
4 cards per pack.
How
There's only
many
4
packs?
cards per pack. 20.
Well, there's still 80 cards in there.
There's 80 cards in here.
Oh, this one's, there's 18 and 5.
Yeah.
Oh, that might have the most. What's this one?
That one's the least.
This 12. So,
Yeah.
do this one first?
You want me to do that one first? This one has the most autographs per box on average.
But we should save that for
Yeah,
last.
we'll save that one
Make-
for last.
Make the viewers watch.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Yeah. All done. Okay. We got Justin Herbert and we got Justin Fields on the cover. A couple of J boys here. J and J. 20 rated rookies per box on average. And as I said, there's 1 autograph per box on average. Look for on-card rated rookie RPA autographs. That would be pretty sick. Pretty sick. Here's a little breakdown of what we're going to open up today. We can get some Black Pandora, some Danton. That'd be dope if we get some of those. Or at least one.
So did you tell the people what we could get?
I just told them.
Talking to you.
Somebody buying the Commanders already?
Commander Heartbreaker. Sorry, you lost your chance. All
A little slipping and sliding in this box.
all teams have been purchased. Right?
All teams have been purchased.
So if you're out there and need the bills,
It was an awkward angle. There they are. These are what the packs look like. It's very Chicago Bears themed for some reason. I don't know.
are you very good?
No. But who knows? Maybe the nice people at Panini know a little bit more about what's going on this year.
Well, that was last season, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Robert Woods, Baker Mayfield, old face in a new place. Rated rookie Trey McKitty, and gifted rookies Kellen Mond. Wow. Okay,
Wow.
not the most exciting first pack there. Texas A&M's all-time winningest quarterback, Kellen Mond. Who would have thought? Feel free to chat along with us. Jimmy G, Will Fuller V, Frank Darby, and a Disco Greg Newsome II for the Cleveland Browns. You know about Greg Newsome, Webby?
I don't.
Oh, well.
Tell us a little bit about it, Eric.
Well, this is a numbered card, mind you. This is 59 out of 125. Newsome's experience against the high-level competition of the Big Ten helped him get drafted in 2021.
Cool.
Yep. That exposure should help give him a jump start into an NFL career.
Sure.
Greg Newsome II.
You don't think Mayfield going to the Panthers?
I went to the Panthers.
Oddly enough, my fanatics set just reached out to me and said, hey, you want to buy this Baker Mayfield thing? I'm like, come on, my baseball team. He's new.
But it'll still go to the Browns, of course. So, that's what's on that little card. Peyton Manning, feels like 98. VFL. Devontae Adams. Larry Roundtree III. And George Kittle Silver. Ooh and ah. George Kittle still at the top of your tight end draft board there, Webby?
Right behind Travis Kelce.
Oh, I understand. T. Kels.
Some might call him TK.
Some might call him TK.
Some might call him Travis Kelce.
Ooh, got some color back here. Deion Jones, Jake Plummer,
Jake the Snake.
Shane Buechele, and Javonte Williams,
Jake
pink.
sounds like a hockey player.
I saw you out there rubbing some
Trimming the bush. Yeah.
trimming the bushes, trimming the shrubs,
The shrubbery.
the shrubbery. Did you get both sides done or just the one side?
That is 54 out of 79 on the Javonte Williams. Good looking
I didn't read it
card.
like that. That's funny. I didn't know that. I apologize.
Hines Ward, Super Bowl 40 MVP. Michael Pittman,
That's so funny.
Quiddy Pay. On-card autograph.
Of who?
On-card autograph
Who?
of Vol for Life, Josh Palmer.
Who?
It feels like 98 in here, baby. Going to the Los Angeles Chargers, an on-card auto. Auga, auga. Wee, 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 bee-boo, bee-boo, bee-boo. Josh Palmer, blue ink with that blue jersey. Wowee, wow, wow. 36 out of 75 on the on-card autograph going to the Chargers. It wasn't Herbert, unfortunately. But who knows? Maybe Josh Palmer has a better career than Justin Herbert.
Well, we got some Justin Herbert Funkos.
We do have some Justin Herbert Funkos available in the collector's corner. Come on
Chase
by.
and regular. Let me know if you're interested.
On-card autograph. It's pretty dope. Isn't that dope?
Dope.
Dope.
Pretty dope, dope.
Well, that was an early autograph there.
I knew we should open that box last.
Yeah, that's it. That's just the beginning. I bet there's going to be so much fun. Keeping helping.
We love fun.
Chris Godwin, Mark Andrews,
That's what we're doing.
Mike Williams, Travis Etienne. He had a great rookie campaign, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yep, no fumbles at all last year for Travis.
Woohoo!
No touchdowns either. But hey, this will be the year for Travis, I bet. It's going to be interesting to see where he goes in fantasy football draft world
I didn't know that it smells as bad as it does.
because it's so humid.
It's the turtles.
Alvin, what?
Where are the turtles?
There was no turtles ever in this room. Rated rookie Mac Jones.
The turtles that went at the ballpark.
They were never in this room.
No. The other one.
It's more like pelted.
Come on, the turtles were in here. Not the little ones, the big ones.
Marcus
The real ones.
Davenport, Antonio Gibson for the football team. Amon-Ra St. Brown.
We are the Commanders now.
Okay, well, on these cards it says Washington. They don't have a team name on here.
And on the sticker we got, it said the Redskins.
Green, Barry Sanders. 2 Lions back-to-back. 34 out of 35 on the Barry Sanders, huh? 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 Next up.
Did you say I'm eating that fish box?
Yes, I do. Thank you. 450.
415.
Kurt Warner, ODBJ, rated rookie Elijah Vera Tucker, retro series Brett Favre for the Minnesota Vikings. Vikings Favre.
Lions and Tigers and Bears, oh my.
Look at him go. Look at him scrambling around in the backfield, ready to throw an interception. There he is. Calvin Ridley, Carson Wentz, rated rookie Trevon Mulreg, and my house, Mac Jones. It's my house. Play that music too loud. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go out. Mac Jones, my house. How fun.
That's so fun.
Tyler Lockett.
Put it in your pocket.
There's a Lockett in my pocket. Rated rookie, Davis Mills. Gotta sleeve that puppy up. Could be the future of the Houston Texans. And an orange, Corey Davis. Corey Davis. CD, if you will. 163 out of 199. That's compact disc. Man. He doesn't want to see me. Russell Wilson. Marcus May. Rated rookie for the Minnesota Vikings.
Who?
Emir Smith-Marset.
I was just going to say that.
Yeah, I bet you were. Ooh. And a blue Drew Bledsoe. He could have been a Super Bowl champion. 281 out of 299 on the Drew Bledsoe. Drew Brees. Cooper Kupp. CeeDee Lamb. J.C. Horn. Cornell Powell, silver. Going to the Kansas City Chiefs. Cornell.
A Bluetooth speaker?
Brandon Cooks. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Rated rookie Patrick Surtain the second. That's a good one.
I like the
Rashawn Slater. Oh, that was in the catalog. No, that wasn't in the catalog. I'm talking about the Central Perk mug. Rashawn Slater orange. 47 out of 199. Going to the Chargers.
That's weird last name, Slater.
Yeah. Tis. Vince Young.
Vince Young?
Byron Jones. Deshaun Wright. Ooh, orange. Justin Jefferson. Good looking card. Him running after the catch there. 69 out of 199. That's nice. Jarvis Landry. DK Metcalf. Darnell Mooney. Look at those socks. Rated rookie, Trevor Lawrence. That's what you wanted to see. TL, it's on your timeline. Trevor Lawrence. JT. Mike Gesicki. Rated rookie, Zach Wilson. JETS, Jets. Silver is Dak Prescott. What's going on, Kevin? Thanks for joining us here today. Hopefully we pull some nice Buccaneers cards for you. Kiki, do you love me? Mike Davis. Darius Leonard, rated rookie Pete Werner. Gridiron Kings rookie Javonte Williams. Second Javonte that we've gotten today. It's fun. Oh, yeah, we do. We have Zach Wilson Funkos. Feel free to DM us.
Please DM us.
They go down in the...
Go down in the DMs.
Marcus Colston.
Uh-oh, here you go.
Oh, no. See, you had to say that about the DM thing, huh?
Bobby said he was trimming his shrubs earlier. That didn't make the camera go down.
Penei Sewell. Nothing like an offensive tackle rookie card.
Excuse it? Here's Susie.
Last card of the Donruss hobby.
Not a lot of card left past Philly.
This is what I work with here. People always looking out for me for my best interest. Randy Moss.
Looking out for Louisiana.
Tylan Wallace.
Both of them.
Rated rookie. Blue. That is 146 out of 299 from the Tylan Wallace.
Wallace. Bubba Wallace.
Bubba Wallace. On to the Panini Prizm No Huddle box,
No huddle.
where you can find
No
one
man.
exclusive rookie autograph Prizm No Huddle
No man.
per box on average. Who's on the cover? Oh, Blondie, Trevor Lawrence, and
Your
Josh
man's.
Allen. My man's.
Are you going to keep him this year?
I am.
You can do that, please.
You can find 10. That's not the reason. Find 10 exclusive base or rookie Prizm No Huddle parallels per box on
How do
average.
you feel about not being commissioner this year?
Fantastic.
You like it?
He can have
Bears, have you looked into creating a drop form yet?
No, I haven't had time. I've been busy working.
I apologize.
Though I'm sure I need to do that shortly.
You want to draft? Who's draft that?
Are you just trolling me right now?
I'm fine, I understand.
Now the freaking kitty cat's back. Okay. There we go. Freaking meow meow.
Yeah, it's back. No drop day, no drop form.
No draft day, no drop for him.
Whether you got the trade from last season, I heard they went missing.
They go missing.
They
You
went
burnt them.
missing.
Did you throw them out?
I thought
You were cleaning up for the season, and they just happened to be in the stack of old paperwork.
no, people just actually had trouble turning paperwork in.
Drop form. While we're doing
Drop
anything
form.
virtual with you.
Good luck in the no huddle. Rashawn Evans,
Assistant commissioner?
Rich Gannon, Latavius Murray. There was a thing about having the commissioner be someone that's not in the league.
Oh, I
Jermar Jefferson.
That's an interesting idea. Having a commissioner.
Disco Emmett Smith.
Emmett Smith, he won Dancing with the Stars one year with Cheryl.
With Cheryl.
I don't know Cheryl's last name. Spelled with a C though. So
Cheryl
it's
Smith.
Cheryl. Did you know that about Emmett Smith?
I think I did know that because you've shared that with me before.
Probably really good part of Emmett Smith type of thing.
Quinnen Williams. Chase Young.
Chase Strong.
The Chase Young?
Not Chase Strumpf.
What is that thing? Kitty!
Austin Hooper. Eric Stokes.
We're sleeping with the other.
Yes. Sleeping with the enemy. Disco Tyler Boyd. A Randall Boyd rookie card.
No birds yet.
No birds.
No birds, no Bill, no bangles.
That's
Nobody's
impossible.
got a bangle.
Bengals or Bengals.
What do you mean is it possible?
Miles Jack. Akeem Hicks. Jeremy Chin.
Kitty cat.
Micah
Kitty.
Parsons rookie.
What do you mean that's impossible?
Dallas Cowboys.
What do you think that?
The boys. I don't know. Oh, the best fullback in the game, Kyle Juszczyk. Blue Disco going to the Niners.
You don't have cash, use check.
57 out of
Oh,
79
so
to the 49ers on the Kyle Juszczyk.
Yeah, I did that. You're right. What real person?
Mr. Webster.
Bad
Bad jokes.
Bad
Bad jokes.
Michigan.
Kirk Cousins, Juju.
How do you like that?
Bobby, can I have your nose for you guys?
Yeah,
I have your nose. Terrace Marshall
It's
Jr.
like babies. I got your nose.
Monty Boy. Disco. for the
He went to
Titans.
Oliver.
He was worried.
About his name?
That is like a big story.
It's the internet in here.
Snot weather.
Why would it be snot? Snot.
Okay.
J.J. Watt.
Ooh.
JJ Watt.
Devontae
Snot.
Adamant.
What?
Fletcher Cox.
Oh, there's our first Eagle.
Chubba Hubbard.
That's a hubbub.
We've chubbed.
Canadian?
Trey has Chubbard.
Oklahoma State Cowboy. Chuba. Scuba.
Duba.
There should be a variant, a Scuba Chuba.
A variant of COVID named Scuba.
Yeah, that's what I said. LaVisca Chenault.
I need a better.
Royal Purple Disco. No, go get a drink.
Okay.
30 out of 35 on the LaVisca. The Jags. Deshaun Watson found out he won't be playing for a couple of games. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Chad Johnson, Demetric Felton, Joe Scobert. Well, not the Jag you wanted there. Refreshing,
A nice quality H2O. I'll stay hydrated.
high quality. H2O.
Oh.
Curtis Martin, Jared Goff, C.D. Lamb, Jacob Harris. No C.D. Pelham here. Fireworks Disco, Justin Fields. That's a good one for our Bears buyer. Look at that, huh? Good looking card for the young signal caller. Pew pew. Pew pew.
What did somebody say?
Need some T-Law and J. Fields magic.
I thought it was.
Dude, we just had Justin Fields. The magic happened. Pew pew. Remember? Von Miller, T. Higgins, Chris Evans, Joe Theismann, Disco. Yeah. Yeah. Rhonda Johnson.
Probably not.
Oh my. Randall Cobb, Darnell Mooney, Dante Fowler, Jalen Phillips. Ooh. Najee Harris, emergent insert going to the Steelers. Nice card. Just lines up so nice.
Did you ever saw this T. Higgins card for the fans about Trey?
Trey Lipscomb?
Trey up for you. Did they play together?
Yes, Trey, our employee here, played with T. Higgins back in Rutherford County. Our crowd was second to none. You might not know I'm here in this big city we live. When I come back home, I got some famous friends. See? There you go. Noah Fant, Derek Brown, Monty Rice. Ooh! Blue Disco, Micah Parsons. Good pull there for the Cowboys, for the boys. That is 25 out of 79 on the Parsons Disco. Good hit. Good hit. Good hit. Good day, mate. John Taylor, Devin Singletary, Saquon Barkley, Jalen Waddle, rookie, had a wonderful end of the season last year for the Miami Dolphins. And then, a name that is being tossed around quite often, Trey Lance, the new starter for the San Francisco 49ers. Disco time. Sweet pull there for San Fran. Michael Pittman, Derwin James, Marlon Humphrey, Trevon Moehrig, Dallas Goedert disco. There's another Eagle. 75 out of 79 on the Dallas Goedert. Playing against Dallas on his card. Wow. Isn't that deep? How deep is that? It's pretty deep. It was.
Bills. This is our first Bills card. Now every team has one card.
That's interesting how James Conner is this card. He had a really good year last year, and he's just running around in training camp. Brock Lesnar! UFC box break right here. Wow. Miles Sanders.
Bears, you're not very good at those. So
Trace.
not good on that route.
Trey Sermon. No, I am the absolute worst. He had flashes of fire last year. And then
That was
Charles
fun.
Haley. I know, that was a blast, actually.
Roasting you. Boomers, I think they would roast people. Eric's Europe and New York.
Drop turtle. Instead of wasting, you have to go to the bathroom. Jordan Aiken, Patrick Mahomes, Sam Hubbard, Jalen Camp, Dalvin Cook. Brilliance disco. A wonderful hit there for the Minnesota Vikings on the brilliance. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
It's just like the reflector.
The reflector.
That's okay.
You just joshing.
That's just awesome.
Josh Fording.
Oh, that's what about?
Marcus May. TJ Hawkinson. Jesse Bates. Ramondre Stevenson. Another name that he had a couple of great plays and games. See what he turns out to be. All out. Mark Andrews. That's what he does. He goes all out, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Doesn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Shing. Sparkle, sparkle.
I sat outside there for about 10 minutes. I got about 7 burgers.
That's delicious.
Just like that.
3 packs left here.
3 parts left.
No, it's
I
packs.
think so.
Yeah, but I was just trying to be funny. Kyle Van Noy, Bradley Chubb, Tyler Boyd, Levi Onwuzurike.
So, we didn't get anything out of this box.
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. DeMarcus Lawrence, green for the Cowboys. Seems like the boys are getting some hits. 2 out of 5.
Wow.
2 out of 5 on the DeMarcus Lawrence.
Well, that's a pretty cool hit.
That's a big hit there. It's a huge hit. Kind of like that Bulbasaur green. 2 out of 5.
Bulbasaur?
Bulba.
Oh, it doesn't-
Bulb.
Bulbasaur.
Bulbasaur.
What's that guy's name from Jimmy Neutron?
Carl Weezer?
No, isn't there a B? The one that goes slap, slap, slap. Bulby.
Bulby. A Bulbasaur. Slap, slap, slap. Clap,
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 clap.
That guy.
Very, very intelligent conversation we have here. Brandon Cooks. Allen Robinson II. Grady Jarrett. Greg Newsome II. And then our autograph. Good pull for the New York Jets.
Yes, yes, yes.
That is Michael Carter. The rookie running back for the New York Jets. Sticker auto on the disco. Congratulations, Jets purchaser. Closer look on that auto. Pretty clean cut. Nice. Nice. Christmas came early for New York in 2021 when the team snagged Carter. New York. They play in New Jersey, though. Congratulations to the Jets. Michael Carter autograph. One last pack. We'll see what we get out of it. Well, Michael P. Ryan, Antonio Gibson, Odell Beckham, Zaven Collins, and Hype LaVisca Chenault. Second LaVisca pull of the box. Pretty sweet looking card. Very exciting. Hype! Going to Jags. Congrats. All right, 2 out of 3 boxes down. Last one here, and it is the smallest of boxes. 6 cards per box and 2 auto. Just says 2 auto dash per box on average. You see that? It's kind of weird, right? 2 auto.
What was the time we opened the box and it was spelled wrong or something? What are we opening?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good.
Well, I'll say it was like a basketball box. Look for cracked ice parallels numbered to 221. Look for new rookie patch autographs. That would be pretty sick. Here's what we can pull from here. If you haven't done so already, feel free to follow us online at the Collectors Corner TN or on Facebook.com/Collectors Corner TN for upcoming box breaks. And of course, follow us on eBay. Need a monster, bruh. Let's go. You want a monster? Come out of this. Kids are scared of the dark. Leslie. I know. They're scared of escape rooms.
Well, actually, really fun. I just get scared of things out.
Okay. The moment we've been waiting for. Let's see what happens here in the Contenders Optic.
How many packs do we have? 2 packs.
It's just 1 pack.
1 pack. Oh.
This is it.
This is it.
This is it!
This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
This is it.
Yeah. This is it.
You might need some. Maybe it's just some fat, not some good.
This is it. Okay.
Okay, ready.
First card.
Ready. We're ready.
Leslie's ready for the first card. Mike Evans, Super Bowl champ. What do you think about that? Are you excited about that?
You're not excited, so I don't think I should be excited.
It's a Mike Evans card. Let's go! There you go. Going to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. These are Pirates, not Cowboys.
You know, I've never seen the Pirates movies. Have you?
I think I saw one once. Next card. Jalen Darden, another Buccaneer. Back-to-back Buccaneers, if you will.
2 Pirates in a row.
2 Pirates.
2 Pirates, 1 case.
Pirates on the plank. Jalen Darden. Yeah, that's right. Well, this is a rookie card, so it's much more exciting. He went to North Texas. North.
Not south.
No.
Not near the border.
South of the border.
On the border.
Next card. Rookie tickets, Jamar Jefferson.
JJ for sure.
JJ the jet plane going to the Detroit Lions. Congratulations, Lions buyer. Looks pretty good to me. JJ. Jamar Jefferson is the first auto of the box. From Oregon State. He's a Beaver.
Oh my god, Jacob bought that. So it's JJJ.
Next card. Kyle Shanahan, cracked ice. Nothing like a coach card here. Cracked ice coach card. Coach's ticket. San Francisco 49ers.
How peculiar.
Kyle Shanahan is
Why
the
did
autograph.
someone not anticipate that?
Who saw that one coming?
Not me.
Not her.
I've never even seen a coach in these cards before.
3 out of 22 on the Kyle Shanahan. This one is numbered. The other ones were not. 3 out of 22 on the Kyle Shanahan. Waste of an auto, TBH. Hey, man, I didn't put the card in there. Who's just being honest. Okay, next card.
Hey, but it's numbered.
Oh, Zach Wilson.
Oh, we have his Funkos.
We have his Funkos.
You want that card and his Funko? We got you covered. The Chase, the regular.
The Jets actually made out pretty good today.
The Jets had a good shot.
Nice job there for the Jets. Zach Wilson. Silver.
John Madison, the regular?
Multiple John Madden.
Oh, Madden. That
4 out of 10 on the Zach Wilson. Sweet. Sweet pull there. Wish I had the Jets. Me too, man. Me too. It looks really good. Like that green and gold.
Good job, Andrew.
Good job. Well played. Final card.
Maybe the sickest pull of the day.
Oh, wait, no, not the final card.
Oh, hey, it says 2 cards left.
How is that possible? It says there's 6 cards per box.
Oh my god, we got 7 cards.
We got 7 cards in this
We
box.
got 7 cards in this box. What on earth?
I think we got 7 cards.
Maybe
in this
because of the coat.
box. Lottery
Maybe it was the
ticket,
dad.
Patrick Mahomes.
Met his dad.
She met his dad. Patrick Mahomes lottery ticket. Is that good?
If you had the Mega Millions lottery ticket, it'd be great.
Are these like rare? Or is this just like an insert? I'm asking. I don't know. It's kind of fun. It's like, it's not really a lottery ticket. It's like bingo.
Well, that's how they pull the lottery.
Yeah, I guess, but it's not a lottery ticket. Those are balls.
And a football.
There is.
Huh. Wait, why do we have 7 cards in this box, though? Because of the coach?
Because the coach card's sucking. I don't know. Patrick
Anybody? You
Mahomes.
guys have any answers?
Yeah,
for
have
that?
you seen 7 cards out of this box before? Well, it is per box on average. Right? All right. Well,
Well, nobody has anything to say about
No
it,
one-
so here's our 7th card
everyone's
for the house.
everyone's quiet. Yeah. And then a Dak Prescott season ticket going to the boys. Problem means the other box got skunked with 5.
So it's on that box, we
Yeah.
got 7.
That box sucks. Or it had like a really, really good card in it.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. And then we just get this dumb Dak Prescott one in it. Well, okay.
What's worse, the dumb Dak Prescott or out of 22 auto coach?
Dumb Dak. Dumb Dak.
Dumb Dak.
Well, yeah, that is kind of a lame way to end it there. And the dumb Dak. Dumb Dak.
What's 7?
But you didn't answer my question. Is this rare or not? Or is this just an insert? Maybe he doesn't even know. He probably does.
We lost 2 watchers. They're not going to tell us.
Oh!
Well, guys, happy collecting. We'll see you next time. Follow us on the egg and the book. We appreciate every follow that happens. You can be input into a free box break when you do. Don't hang up. I'm still talking to them. I'm just kidding. You can hang up on them.